I am currently a student. I study English education at Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. And right now, I am focusing on learning English skills such as speaking, writing, reading, and teaching methods because I want to be a good English teacher in the future. I made the decision about what I am studying by myself. I chose to study at Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta and take English education because I am interested in English and I enjoy learning English language. Um, and I also think this major will be useful for my future career. Um, Personally, I think I am quite good at making decisions. When I need to decide something important, I usually think carefully and consider the advantages and disadvantages. I also listen to advice from others, but in the end, I decided I decide based on what I think is the best for me. Um, yes, I think I usually make the right decisions. Sometimes the results are not exactly of what I expect, but I believe every decision teaches me something valuable. I think it is normal for people to change their mind after making a decision because people can grow, can new experience, and learn new things. Um, Changing a decision does not always mean they were wrong. It can mean they are becoming more mature and understand themselves better. So, one of the most important decision I often face is deciding whether to buy new stuff like clothes and shoes, especially when they are not cheap. For example, a few months ago, I was about to buy a pair of colorful sneakers and a stylish jacket. I was unsure for a long time, zooming in the photos, um, reading reviews, but I always end up doing the same thing. I send the picture to my older cousin, who feels like my real big sister. I always ask her because, in my opinion, has really a good taste of style, and she's always stylish yet practical, and um, she knows what suits me, and she always gives me honest opinions like these colors looks great on you, and or sometimes skip it, you'll get bored quickly, just like that. Her her advice is what helps me decide. Without it, I'd probably buy things impulsively and regret them later. And yes, I think I made the right decision every time I followed her suggestion. The items I bought after asking her are the ones I wear the most and feel great in. Personally, yes, I think making decisions today is harder because there are so many choices. Sometimes having too many options makes people confused. People also worry about choosing the wrong thing. Because of that, making decision can feel stressful. Uh, yes, I think young people today face different decisions than young people in the past. Today, young people need to think about social media, uh, job choices, and maybe study option. But in the past, life was more simple and choices were fewer. Young people today have more freedom, but they also feel more feel more pressure. Mm, One good thing about asking other people for advice, I think, is that we can hear different ideas, and other people might have more experience, so their advice can help us. It can also make us feel more confident when making a decision. Mm, I think some people are better at making decisions because they stay calm and think carefully. They do not rush. And experience also helps because people who made mistakes before usually learn how to choose the better one. Yes, I agree that we learn by making mistakes. Mistakes helps us understand what we did wrong and how to do better the next time. Even though mistakes are not comfortable, uh, they helps us to grow for the better.